I'm going to make shopping for skincare so simple, so basic that you will finally understand how to choose the right products for your skin and how to swim through those beauty aisles without wasting too much time and money. Let's get started. For this first video, let's go over that very first basic that applies to everyone, every age, every skin type, and that's choosing the right cleanser. Before we go over which products to choose, let's start with the basic. What does a cleanser even do? And really, a cleanser, a facial cleanser in particular, just does that. It cleans. That's all it does. It removes oil, dirt, and debris from your skin. The goals of any cleanser are to remove oil, dirt, and debris from your skin without over drying or irritating your skin and not contributing to any other skincare problems. We don't want redness, irritation, sensitivities. We want to make sure your skin tolerates it, is left feeling clean without over drying it. So understanding that a cleanser really can only do that. It's only in contact with your skin for a short period of time before it's rinsed off. It really is just cleaning your skin. So let's break this down. The first time you choose a cleanser, regardless of what you're dealing with on your skin, let's just start with the basic one without lots of claims of other possible benefits. Don't get caught up in what skin type am I? What am I looking for in my cleanser? What types of other skincare problems I have? Just start with a basic one, and then we'll deal with other challenges once you've gone through that bottle to decide what types of issues you're dealing with so we know where to proceed from there. These are tried and true brands that have been around for a very, very long time, and they work, meaning I have not seen any issues come up with most of these products in the past 2 decades of practice, and they consistently provide the right results at the right price tag. There's no reason to venture outside of these brands, but we'll go over other brands in just a moment. Before we go over other brands, let's talk about claims and why, when you look at different products, it gets a little confusing because there's so many marketing claims on products that make it really hard for my patients to understand how to choose one product over another. So let's just look at the claims on these products themselves. So we'll look at Cetaphil first. Cetaphil says it's for a combination to sensitive to oily skin. Remember, these are marketing words. There is no medical basis for these types of words: sensitive skin, oily skin, dry skin, combination skin. These are your own perception of your skin, and this varies for every person. And it's not something a brand can really speak to. When they use these words, they might be trying to make claims about what ingredients might be missing or added to their product, but it's not worth overthinking most of this until you figure out what types of challenges your skin is faced with after using the product. There's really no medical relevance, however. So don't get caught up in wasting your time on the claims that are made based on skin types for different types of cleansers out there. Now, CeraVe has a few claims to it. The first one is foaming. Some people just like a foam to their product. It makes them feel cleaner. Sure, foaming products can be a little more drying, but nothing a moisturizer really can't handle. For years, I would try to tell those with sensitive skin to try to avoid the foam, but I learned this was a waste of time and breath. The reason why is because some people just like a foam. They choose this based on their perception of clean. If they don't see the foam, they don't love the slimy feel of a non-foaming cleanser, and this leads to non-compliance. That's just counterproductive. So if your foaming cleanser is feeling a little too dry after using it, we'll cover moisturizers in another video. Now let's go through the other claims. This one also says it has hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and niacinamide. I haven't come across any studies evaluating cleansers in isolation with these ingredients versus ones without them. And actually, interestingly, there's not a lot of studies evaluating cleansers in isolation of other skincare products. These words, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, niacinamide, they have Google traction or SEO traction that helps you find them faster when searching for a product, but that doesn't mean there's an added benefit. It just means that they're buzzwords. And there's a good chance that these ingredients are probably found in other products as well. So don't choose a product based on the presence of these ingredients because it's really hard to say in a cleanser form if there's any added benefit to including these ingredients. Now, Aveeno tends to tout the presence of oat in its products, and it's thought to be soothing for the skin. I tend to prefer the use of a product with this ingredient. That's perfectly reasonable, but again, the soothing property of oat in a cleanser form is hard to say how much you'll achieve given the fact that it has short contact with your skin as it is. Neutrogena's product claims to be ultra gentle. It's hard to say what makes this formulation ultra or gentle. Many times it's really focused in on maybe the presence of certain surfactants that are in some products versus others. But again, this is not a claim that you can reliably refer to when trying to choose the right product for your skin. And if you look at most of these products, they do tend to reference the word gentle. This one might be trying to separate itself by saying ultra, but it's really hard to say what makes it ultra gentle. Olay's product is interesting in that it says that it's oil-free. There are some cleansers out there that act as almost like a two-in-one shampoo and conditioner where they clean and they hydrate as well. This is designed to strip oils away while leaving some behind. When you see the oil-free claim, there's a good chance that this is less likely the cause. This might be preferred for people who tend to have oilier skin or trying to avoid some of those added oils or residues in their product. So this might be helpful for some people in that category. Now, do you tend to prefer higher end brands? That's totally okay. There's no reason not to treat yourself if that's what you prefer. But again, only if it's your preference, not because it's going to clean your skin better than another product. Let's take a look at some of these options. Some of the common ones out there would be the Tatcha brand, Kiehl's, Clinique, Shiseido, Elemis. Now, what makes these more expensive than your drugstore brands? Many of these products contain a lot more ingredients in them, oils, fragrances, or other ingredients that are designed to draw your attention from a marketing perspective. Do they work better to clean your skin? I have not come across any head-to-head studies, but there's a good chance the cleansing action is about the same. The real difference between these products and these drugstore brands might be that sensory neural experience of using a higher end product in terms of the look, feel, and smell of the product as well as the packaging it comes in. So what if you are faced with some skin challenges, say acne, rosacea, sensitive skin, aging skin, pigmentation? How do you choose the right cleanser? Look out for my next videos on each of these topics.